cyane kirokore cy'abapantekote kubwira umukobwa ngo ndagukunze wumvaga ari icyaha deje kuko bari batuwe ngo uramenye ijisho ryawe wageraga ku bakobwa beza ukohera ukerekera y'ukunama kugira ngo utagwa mu cyaha. Ibyo nibyo twari twaratojwe nka mukristo ageze mu isoko ry'imbura mumaro ngo yagiye ahumirije kugira ngo adashukwa n'isoko. Amfete twakuriye mu kirokore ni twari tuzi kwicara n'umukobwa ngo utangire you see urabona hari ntabyo umuntu yarazi.
We were raised as children in a Christian home. We had no idea how you actually date a young girl, tell her you love her. It was just living as brothers and sisters.
cyane cyane kirokore cy'abapantekote kubwira umukobwa ngo ndagukunze wumvaga ari icyaha deje kuko bari batuwe ngo uramenye ijisho ryawe wageraga ku bakobwa beza ukohera ukerekera y'ukunama kugira ngo utagwa mu cyaha. Ibyo nibyo twari twaratojwe nka mukristo ageze mu isoko ry'imbura mumaro ngo yagiye ahumirije kugira ngo adashukwa n'isoko.
Especially if you're raised as a Pentecostal, you are taught not to look at a girl because if you look, you're already lusting and sinning. Just like the Christian man, when he reached in the noisy market, he said, I'll close my eyes just in case I sin. A little back, there is a Congolese lady. I was a student and this lady came for prayer. The mother was sick. I had a voice tell me, get water, pray for it, give it to her to go give it to the mother. The mother was bedridden at home. So this lady understood. She took the bus. She had a glass of water. Be careful, don't pour this water. Imagine taking a bus from here to Nyabujingo. You have a glass, make sure not a drop falls out of the glass. So she took the glass. The mother was badly off. She said, Mother, wake up and take your medicine. The mother awoke, tried to wake up. She was weak. She drank the water. When she was about to drink, she started to sweat. She was empowered in her body. She hadn't woken up for weeks. She wasn't able to eat. She sat down. She said, my daughter, who is the doctor that did this? He says, the doctor staying somewhere. Where is he? Where does such a doctor live? So the girl knew. The mother got well. He said, I would like to see him. When the girl came, she came to tell me the testimony of what the Lord has done. She hugged me and held me tight. She hugged me so much, I felt that I had fallen, had sinned because she held me too much. So she is here embracing me so much and saying, I love you so much. I felt that I was being tempted and I'm falling into sin. Truly, she meant what she was saying, but it was not the other way I was thinking. But you know, the fear, the Pentecostal fear. She was not very tall. So she was short and she was literally just hugging my belly, and you can imagine how that felt. And then she would look up to me because I was up there and she said, I love you. So the Pentecostal spirit can really be misleading if you do not mentor your children.
Burya tugomba kwigisha n'abantu ko baganira n'abafiance babo akenshi ritubibabwira barirwariza bagakora n'amakosa menshi.
Normally we should train or mentor our children on how they court with their fiancés. So many times they make mistakes because we don't take it intention on train them.
Muri make nagiye kureba umukobwa.
So I went to see her.
Ndamubwira narinje kubwira ngo unyemere nzaba umugabo wawe.
And then I told her I've come to propose and to request you to agree to be my wife.
Nawe arandeba arambwira ngo ndemeye.
She looked at me and said, I agree. Yes, I'll be your wife. That's the sign I needed from God. She was also going through trials at the time.
Wewe wafashe umwanya wawe ukareba ubutumwa ukaba ubugejeje ku musozo turagushimiye.
Niba utarakora sabone cyangwa subscribe bikore kugira ngo ujye ubona ubutumwa bushyashya.
Wibuke gukanda ku kazogera kugira ngo ujye uhabwa notification za video nshyashya.
Ufite igitekerezo, ufite icyifuzo cy'uko twavuga uyu murimo, twandikire hasi muri commentaire urabudufashije.
Ubutumwa bwohereza bagenzi bawe kugira ngo nabo bahabwe umugisha. Urabudufashije kwamamaza ubu bwami. Uhabwe umugisha.